Hello, Tech Savvy. Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to hide or show rows or columns. Are you tired of struggling to manage your Excel sheets when rows or columns get in the way? In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can easily hide or show rows and columns in Excel. Let's dive into the steps now. Hiding rows or columns. Open your Excel file and select the row or column you want to hide. Right-click on the selection and choose Hide from the context menu, showing hidden rows or columns. To unhide, select the range of rows or columns around the hidden ones. Right-click on the selection and choose Unhide from the context menu. Using shortcut keys, to hide, select rows or columns and press Ctrl+9 rows or Ctrl+0 columns. To unhide, select the range of rows or columns and press Ctrl+Shift+9 rows or Ctrl+Shift+0 columns. By following these steps, you can easily control how your Excel sheet appears and works for you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.